What's up, guys? Today in this video we are playing BA Parkour Ninja again, and there's a sad thing. Okay, so I got Fortnite on my computer. Yeah, I'll stop getting excited, guys. But it lags too much. I recorded it. It went worse. It stopped almost at my computer, and one like equals one prayer for my computer. Anyways, guys, we're gonna play BA Parkour Ninja, and we're just gonna play Roblox. We're just gonna do it. My core computer. I am still using it. Yeah, but there's one problem. The charge is about to break, and the side thing is broken off, but it's all good. On the other side, I can just get that fixed. It's not a problem. It's not a problem, but the charger is weak. That's why. And I don't know. So one prayer, one prayer equals one prayer for my computer. Anyways, this is my friend. Anyways, but let's get into our game. I am a pro at this game. Trust me. I will prove it to you. Oh God, I can't see. I can't fully see. Wait, I can't do no sound because my dad's sleeping. Anyways, oh God. Okay, everything's good. This might actually be the game that it never glitches. Come on, let's just glitch. That dream was a that dream was a dream. I'm focusing, guys. Don't distract me. I'm a very serious gamer. Okay. I'm actually doing something in my life. I'm gonna try to record twice a weekend, and when summer break is, I'm gonna record every Monday. Let's see. I'm going to the Philippines, and I'm gonna try to vlog it, but there's no internet. I think. Yeah, there's no internet. Yeah, but I think we're going to the richest side of the Philippines, and where we're going. So we might see some Philippines action. Clutch. Okay, I don't want to say that. Whatever. I don't like that once. That means I'm a pro. I need to be careful. If you want more gameplay like this, no! Ugh, I couldn't keep up my streak. I'm gonna try to not make it glitch. I just got one kill. I will do 1,000 deaths for 1,000 kills. Is that a good deal? What was that kid doing? Wreck. Wait, what? Come on, you don't steal my kill like that, man. And I got no damage. Let's go. I feel like I'm a pro at this game. Game mode. I feel like I am, but I think, yeah, I am. Oh God, no. I'm gonna fight. no, we can't touch me. You can't touch this. You can't touch this. You can't kill me. I'm too OP. Okay. My strategy is to like put these cloud things. So I can heal. Let's just go. I'm getting killed fast, even though I just started the game. If you want me to do a stream of this, well, I'll hit the like button. If you hit 5, if you hit 10 subscribers to next week, I will do a stream of this because it's pretty fun actually. Don't worry, when I fall, look. This is how magic. I fall over, but then I reboot. That's pretty cool. That's a glitch. Hope that stays forever. Shout out who made this game. This game is addicting. I like these types of games, like a battle royale, like Fortnite. I tried to play that, you remember, but that almost killed my computer, and I think, the Roblox is not that glitchy because there's a few people playing, and yeah, there's not everybody playing one server. There's a few game modes, and this is pretty popular, but it's not like popular. If I play Jailbreak, it's like very glitchy, like, but it's not glitchier than like Fortnite. I'm trying to play that on my PS4, but I'm trying to get a good screen record because I think that's the problem. I need a better screen recorder, so why is people following me? No way they know me by my channel. If you know me by my channel and you're playing with me right now, my name is Jaden Fernandez, and if you do subscribe and comment in my latest in this video, so I can make sure that I can friend you. So I don't want to like play with people for no any reason. I'm trying not to waste my space, you know. I'm trying to do who's honor, who I have fun with. That was kind of easy because that was my. This guy's skin is cool. What the? He just disappeared. Oh, he did. Yeah, anyway, that was good shots. That was very good shots, guys. Well, I need to pause my video.